In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document into an Excel sheet. So the first thing you need to do is load up your Word document. Now I've just got some basic text inside of here, but this will still work regardless of how short or long your text is. So what you need to do from your Word document is click on File in the top left-hand side, come down to Save As, click on the drop-down next to File Type and select Plain Text. Then just give your file a name. I'm going to call it Test. Click on the folder and select where you want to save this file. I'm going to go ahead and save this to my download folder. Click on the Save button and then select OK. Now you can head over to your Excel sheet. From Excel, click on the Data tab right at the top here, and in this left-hand column, you'll see an option for From Text/CSV. So you can just hover over each of these to make sure you're selecting the correct one. But as you can see, it reads From Text/CSV. So if I now click that, locate the text file that we just created and double-click on it, then you'll get this window pop up like so. Just go ahead and select Load. And just like that, we've now imported our data from Microsoft Word over to our Excel document. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribe.